Hey guys, it's Cheyenne and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a soft smoky eye for Easter, so if you're interested, stay tuned. I'm going to start off with my eyeshadow and be using the Beautycounter eyeshadow palette in the color Suede. I'm going to go ahead and get a fluffy brush and I'm going to go ahead and apply it on the outside of my crease. And you just want to apply a light amount. You can always pack on more, but if you do too much at once, then it's going to look too cakey. And you do not want any harsh creases, so you just want to make sure you apply it evenly. Next, I'm going to go ahead and go with the Urban Decay palette. I'm going to use the color Low Blow and lightly apply it along my outer crease just to give it a little bit of a darker shade. And like I said, you just want to apply a light amount on your eyelid just because you can always add on more. Next, I'm going to go back to the Beautycounter palette. I'm going to go ahead and use the color Sable. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it on the inner corner of my eyelid. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the color, I'm going to do Sahara from Beautycounter. I think this is a really nice, pretty light shimmer. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it on the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I'm going to use the color Suede. And I'm going to lightly reapply it on the outer crease of my eyelid. Now that I've applied my eyeshadow, I'm going to use a liquid eyeliner for the outside of my eyelids. Now that I've applied my eyeliner, I'm going to use an eyelash crimper to go ahead and elongate my eyelashes. It gives it a nice little curl as well. I've heard people use these and they've had these horror stories where their eyelashes come off. Thankfully it hasn't happened, but it's always a scare of mine. But I think as long as you have this plastic a little wrap on it, you are okay. Give it a nice curl. Next, I'm going to use the Lancome Eyelash Boost. This is also great for giving your eyelashes just a nice little boost. It's going to appear white, but that's okay, because you're to go back in with a different mascara. Next, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lash Sensation. And this will just go over the white mascara we just applied. You don't want to wait too long to apply the black mascara over the white one, just because then your eyelashes will appear clumpy. So you want to make sure you kind of do it in a timely manner. And sometimes I like going in with just a different brush. This is also from Maybelline, but it just has more of a fluffier brush. And I like to just do a thin layer. And then sometimes I just like applying a light layer on my bottom lashes. Next, I'm going to be using a facial primer. This is from Beauty Society. I absolutely love this. This is great when you're gonna apply liquid foundation. It makes my skin feeling so soft. I love it. Now, as you guys can see, I have some few blemishes, so I'm going to use a concealer. I'm using e.l.f.'s concealer. This is honestly $2 at Target. So worth it. I'm going to use my damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to lightly dab it. I guess I didn't squeeze out all the water as you guys saw, but that's okay. Next, I'm going in with my Beauty Society It's a Perfect foundation. I only do 2 pumps. I just go 1, 2. I know when I apply it, it's gonna seem dark, but it blends in very nicely. Now I'm gonna go back and do my little blemishes. Now that I've blended everything out, I'm gonna go in with a light powder. I'm using Beauty Society's light powder. You can use a kabuki brush or you can even use a fluffy brush, doesn't matter. Next, I'm going to be using a fan brush, and I'm going to use my Give Me a Sun Baking Bronzer. This is by MAC. I love this so much. It just kind of gives you a little pop and it wakes you up. Typically, I do it on the temples of my face. A little goes a long way, but I personally love this over blush. Next, I'm going in with my Anastasia Glow Kit. This is amazing. As you can see, I really have used it a lot, but this just gives you a nice little glow. I love the colors Amber Gold, Sun Ray, and Hot Sand. Typically, I just kind of do a little bit of each. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that was just one little sweep of the highlight. Like I said, you don't really need a lot, but it really gives your face a nice little glow. And then sometimes I like to put a little bit just on my nose, just like that, and on my lip. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and do a lip liner with a lipstick. This is NYX. I love all their lip liners. They're all under, I believe it's $4, but well worth it. It's very inexpensive and it goes a long way. And I'm going to use MAC's, this is Viva Glam Matte Nude lipstick. I love this. It's a perfect everyday lipstick. Alright you guys, now that my look is complete, I thought I'd let my hair down and show you guys a close-up of my makeup. Like I said, this is a nice soft smoky eye for Easter Sunday. If you guys just need a little bit of inspiration, I really love the glow to it. It's not too much, it's just enough. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll make sure to link everything down below. If you guys like this look, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see something else, write it in the comments down below and I'll make sure to create that look. Thank you guys for watching.